MissCarly. So today we're going to get inspired by this gorgeous wig from Sam's Beauty. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget the subscribe button down here as well as a little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I believe you pronounce this wig as Trissa. So of course when I saw this on her, like with this color of teal, I was like, this is absolutely gorgeous. But you know, with all this kind of like fall going on and just all those beautiful rich colors, and I've seen so many girls that I know like go into like a very dark color, so it's got me wanting it, as I used to have black hair. So I decided to get her in the 1FB/30. So let's just take a look at her. Of course she comes in a variety of colors, so definitely check all those colors out. But she is, I pulled her out of the box and I was like, she is striking. I mean, literally strikingly gorgeous. And one of the first things I noticed, besides these gorgeous curls, but she has this beautiful sheen to her. It's not super shiny. It just looks like the most luscious hair that you can have. And the one thing I love with the /30 is you can see she just has these beautiful touches of the highlight of that 30 color, and it just looks like it's just gonna be the most, even adds to that glisten of the hair. I literally cannot wait to put this on because I feel like it's just gonna be a game changer. Like, let's talk about the cut here. So she does have some kind of like shorter bangy pieces here, or long bangs, and then it's cut more into like a little bit of a V with that, with the layering. So it's gonna be very beautiful with how it lays, and it won't be so aggressive, and I absolutely love that. So let's get into the actual construction. So she does have medium tone lace right here, and I feel like she has a really great, like a 4-inch parting, so that's beautiful. And then for the actual inside construction, she has 2 combs right here, and then she has 1 comb right here in the back. As for the stretch of her, so she's definitely a medium cap. I feel like she has a medium stretch, like nothing too aggressive. I feel like she's definitely a solid medium cap. If you need a medium large, maybe a little tight, but I feel like you could probably get her to like stretch to that. All right, so let's put this girl on because I'm killing to put her on. So of course I have my nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, and I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, and striking she is. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. So she definitely, you know, she could use a little extra plucking, but that is par for the course. So definitely nothing too aggressive with trying to, you know, thin out the sides a little bit, but she looks like she's gonna fit really nicely if you want to glue her down. Of course, that center parting looks great. What I'm probably gonna do as well with this wig, if you did check out the video, I highly recommending on bleaching your synthetic knot wigs right here. I'm definitely gonna do that with this one just to kind of make those knots a little bit more transparent. Okay, so let's cut off the lace and really work with this girl. All right, absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do really quickly, just to kind of lighten up this part, I'm just gonna take some powder right here just lightly and just go over it. Okay, beautiful. Now we're gonna take our wig brush and lightly brush out this girl. Okay, oh my gosh, I so love this. As for the shedding, she just had light to medium shedding, so nothing aggressive. She's a very soft wig. I really love this, and it is totally bringing me back to when my hair was literally black, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm feeling those Vixen vibes here. What do you guys think about this? Oh my gosh, I love this. Now let's kind of shift the parting to see if we're gonna give like a different kind of look if we just shift the wig cap, since she is a straight parting right here. Let's move her to the left-hand side, which is where I usually part my hair. Oh yes, this is very doable. Absolutely love this. And with this wave just kind of floating on the face, Really pretty, definitely a doable look. All right, so let's switch it on the right-hand side. Oh yes, this is another really great look. Wow, I'm actually really surprised that both sides work really good. I mean, you're never sure when they're kind of waved out in the front, but this is really great. So definitely always, let me put her down the middle again. And then also this wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you did want to modify these curls in any way, you can certainly do that. But I'm really loving it. This is literally a little vixen dream right here, and I cannot wait to wear it. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I really want to know if any of you have this wig, or if you have a favorite black or like black wig with a mixed color in it. I really want to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is such a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wigs and your makeup looks and just living your best life ever. So this wig again is from Sam's Beauty. Definitely check it out. Check out all the amazing colors that it comes in. One of my biggest advice I could ever give anyone is, live your best life. Do not care what other people have to say about how you're living your life, because if something makes you feel amazing, go in that direction, because that is the direction you're supposed to go into. So be fabulous, own a wig, own a makeup look, and just have fun with life. So I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.